Hi there, I'm Beckie Belote and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor from Virginia. And today I wanted to tell you about our cards. They're amazing and we have a brand new set that's called Golly. Let me tell you about our cards. In any of our cards, you're going to find 12 envelopes. And this particular set has beautiful insides here. They also come with cardstocks to make 12. It comes with the ideas. And like, for instance, this is idea 11, it says on here. And all of these pieces down here have 11s on them. So that means these pieces go with that card. So let me show you how fast we can make these. What you do is you grab your cardstock. 11A, it's got an A on it because that goes down first. The saying is in the middle, and in this case, it's I'm here for you. In the optional, we have some optional pieces also that comes on all of our cards. We have some other suggested sayings. So if I don't want I'm here for you, I could put happy birthday if I want to. All right, and then it has some flowers around the edges. C and D go here, and I'm done. All right, I've made just a couple of more. They're super pretty. This one says, gee, thanks. And we have an alternative for that one if you want. It says, hey there. Remember when? It's a little cassette. We've got an alternative saying for that one, rock on. And then we have a couple cards in this set that actually the saying has a little wheel. So you can change sayings before you mail it. So I think that's tons of fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.